Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering NECO 2019 Economics Objective Past Question 15. If a bottle of Maltina cost 80 naira in 2013 and increased to 100 naira in 2014, calculate the index number. A 80, B 100, C 120, D 125, E 130. So what we're looking at here is index number, and index number is calculated this way. So index number, formula for index number is new price divided by the old price multiplied by 100. So from our question, the old price or the new price is 100 naira. So 100 divided by the old price, which is 80 naira. So 80 multiplied by 100. So this, when you solve, will give you 125, which is option D. So 125 option D is the index number. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.